Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yeah. At a strike come to here, you Juliet 10. Quantin Firefly body shampoo. Mr. Echo, I mean not talk loose, me I talk real. Street style but clean, and today me I highlight the source them too. Big up all the journalists them will keep the nation informed. Oh, in Caricom box, reparation, push. Yes, me brother. Me glad fi see Caricom step on the front line and stand up behind Jamaica on the reparations talk. Big up cleaner for the coverage. Them make sure we know say the Caribbean leaders ready fi send that message. We want justice, not charity, but member. Echo a watch the follow up, no idle promises. Come with action. Man, Jamaica off the you watch list. Street or celebrate. Radio Jamaica news online. Big up plane in Jamaica. Them are the first to bring it loud. Jamaica off the EU. Money laundering blacklist. Now the businessman them a breathe easy. Forex man them a smile and we glad. But Echo say keep the books clean. No more funny things in a banking. Yeah, junk track or a paid fight walk. If you move set key spell strong moves like Rule Jamaica observer. A 5,000 fi move coach out and Noel Maitland place. Observer bust that story and Echo a scratching chin. Regular jabber cover move me now point finger. But the street a whisper me say observer. Big up yourself, keep dogging truth. Always dead, not see no catch. Transport center, rolling up, get stronger. You love Jamaica, Gleaner. The belly out yet say Minister Vaza push ahead with the Christiana transport center. And me proud, Echo say every parish deserve proper movement system. No more left out Clarendon, forget them shine too. On score bus driver screening. Yes to youth safety. You look Jamaica. Me love see loop touch this topic. KSAMC a tighten the rope and who drive school picnic. Too much slackness in the system. Echo say me support this move 100%. Every youth deserves safe travels. GPS service open in Portmore. Relief drop like rain in Jamaica. Observer on the future and me have to say Portmore finally get the JPS service up. No more the long truck fi bill our service. Me Portmore fam say about time. Echo say JPS make sure your staff treat people good. One Christmas in Julia trade show. Local in Jamaica. Men of your soul Jamaica Gleaner. Me love the energy. Gleaner highlight. Own of local creative them flood the Christmas in July show at Pegasus Jamaica. Full of talent, food, fashion, craft. Echo roll out fish shop and support local. No wait till December. Shop early, shop yard. Every story today comes straight from Jamaican media giants. Respect to Gleaner, Observer Loop and Radio Jamaica. Them a do the groundwork so Echo can amplify it for the street. Whopper. Me no come for mislead, me come for make you know. Subs and drop your view in the comment box. I saw Echo roll, bold, but always clean. Gone till next link up. Bless up Jamaica.